So now let's see how we can work around with the eyedropper tool inside a Photopea. So let's say, for example, you want to take a color sample. Then what you can do is over here on the left hand side, you can see that the eyedropper tool is an option. So if I were to go around onto the eyedropper tool right here, I can click on any of the area right here and it takes that exact pixel of where you click right here as a color sample, just like this. So I can go ahead onto a brush and then simply draw around with that color. But let's say what I want to do is I want to take an average color sample. Let's say, for example, instead of taking the exact pixel, I want to take a sample of more areas of pixel. In that case, you can go around and go for 3 by 3 areas of pixel so that it takes the 9 pixels average right here, just like this. You can also go for larger area, for example 31 by 31 pixel right here, and click right here just like this, and this is what you have. If I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is how you can go ahead and draw right here. So now if I were to go around onto the brush tool, this is what I have. Let me just go around onto sample, and over here what you also have is the layers, as you can see right here. For example, you can just take sample from one particular layer or current and the layers below it, or you can go and take samples from all layers as well, just like this, and then take the color samples, utilize the sample and utilize that color in your projects. So that is how you can utilize the eyedropper tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.